Hello, this is a short video which outlines how a student can change their time zone for their digital learning products, including MindTap. So a student would sign into their Nelson Brain account. I've already gone ahead and done that on my mock Nelson Brain account. They should see their product here, and how they would normally launch it is clicking on the open button. But before they launch it, they need to click in the My Account tab. And when the My Account tab opens up, if you scroll down, you have the ability to change your time zone. And for us in Vancouver Island, we are in the Pacific time zone. So we need to make sure that that aligns, so that if there's any time limits put on MindTap exams or anything like that, that those come through properly for the student. Once you choose your setting, you need to save your changes. And then once you've done that, then you can go back to My Home and you can enter into MindTap. Another best practice is to make sure that your actual computer itself also is set to the proper time zone, and that the time zone that your computer is set to and the time zone that MindTap has, or your account has, align and are the same. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any further questions.